My name's Aaron Dewhurst. I'm Managing Director of the Glass Whiteboard Company. So the Glass Whiteboard Company manufacture wall-mounted and freestanding glass whiteboards. We started the Glass Whiteboard Company in 2010. It came off the back of us seeing an opportunity that there was a need for an alternative product to replace the standard whiteboards. Companies are spending a lot of money fitting out, especially in London, it could be hundreds of thousands of pounds fitting out an office. And the only option they had was the standard whiteboard. We saw as we can create this glass product that's going to last forever pretty much, and we could brand it, we could do bespoke colours on it, made it magnetic as well, so it kind of like ticked all the boxes. We work with most of the top 100 construction companies in the UK, like the BBC, Google, Amazon, pretty much every, you name it, Microsoft. So, there's some big names that we work with. Before we had the Sedimentor, it was it cost us like probably half a day's production for 2 men a week. So half a day we had to chisel out the glass dust from the bottom of the tank, which was quite a hard job, for the guys. And then it's just a messy job. You've got to kind of like take the tank out of where it needs to be. And it's just kind of like it added lots of elements of risk, because all the time you're unplugging things and taking them apart, they like to break and not go back together as they should do. One of the other problems as well is, what do you do with your wastewater? You kind of like, you once a week we're cleaning it out, once a week we've got the wastewater that we need to get rid of, which was going into drums and being taken away. Which is an added expense. Just seemed to needed to be another solution. The Bohle Sedimentor, just such an interesting concept. You had a machine that kind of like resolved this problem, and the added bonuses to the Sedimentor was that it, kind of like it gave us better quality. One, it reduced labour times. It resolved our wastewater issue because you continuously recycle the water. And it also gives us better quality edge, polished edge on the glass, and it prolongs the tool life of the polishing machine. The Sedimentor was funded through a low-cost case grant. For us, it was around about 35% of the purchase cost. 2 or 3 years' time, it's going to be crucial that you can prove your environmental sustainability with your processes and your product. We're just at the moment looking into EPDs, which is an environmental product declaration. And that takes it right back to where you source all your materials from, to deliveries, to collections, and it gives you this certificate at the end of it, which is widely used now in the sector. And for example, Google, they're kind of committed to sourcing sustainable products, so there was quite a stringent process for us to go through to get onto their list of suppliers. I just want to be in a position that in 2 or 3 years' time we can tell everyone exactly everything that we can improve, and the Sedimentor is key to that because it's part of the process. Planning on growing the business by 25% over the next 3 years, and we're trying to look at the markets in a different way. We're trying to be a little bit different, and I think the environment is going to be key for our future and sustainability, that we can prove all of these environmental sustainability of the Glass Whiteboard Company and the product itself.